I'm Ted Gaiman. I'm the parts manager of the East Dundee and Wakanda facilities. In 2026, we're running 20% off all hydraulic hoses at all Altorfer locations. Hydraulic hoses are going to be what carries your fluid from all your pumps, motors, over to make the equipment work properly. When a service order prints, one of our warehouse technicians goes ahead, grabs the paperwork. They come over here in the hose assembly area. They'll go in the drawer and identify the right coupling for the build of the Caterpillar hose. When you go to cut the hose, they take it out of either the PVC tubing or they take it out of the hose reel. They take it to the rail that is next to the saw, then they measure it from there. We then cut the hose to the proper length, go through our process of cleaning out the inside of the hose to make sure it's contamination control friendly. All of our hoses are within MSHA regulations, as well as our facility being a 5-star contamination control facility. You have to shoot projectiles through the hose until they are clean. The reason you do that is to make sure that there's no contaminants that are still inside of the hose itself, because hydraulic systems can be very finicky, and if you're not cleaning those hoses out the proper way, you can have catastrophic failure to hydraulic systems. For that, we assemble the hose by putting the couplings on each end and crimping it with our crimputer to ensure that it's at the right spec. So a standard hose can take upwards of about 15 minutes, I'd say, to make. That said, there are some that tend to be a little more difficult. That can take upwards of an hour, I'd say, but you should never be waiting more than an hour for a hose. Generally, people are coming to us because there is a Caterpillar build already, so all they have to do is give us a part number and then a build sheet prints out. Whereas if you were to take it to a small hydraulic shop, that option's not available. They're piece parting it out for you. And additionally, warranty purposes, if it's a non-cat hose that fails on that machine, we're not going to cover it on warranty because it's not our product that we're putting on there. Additionally, they come to us because we do have some of the best hoses in the business. Our XT6 hose can go up to 6,000 PSI. That said, at our facility alone last year, we made 3,500 hoses. Even if you have a non-cat hose, we're able to help you out. We can service you and build that. That said, if you do have a Caterpillar machine that needs a hose build, always bring it to us, your dealer, because it's going to be within spec and you know you're going to get it right every time.